Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new here, my name is Abby and I am here to give you another cool tips and tricks, especially that Father's Day is just around the corner. Let's talk about these 12 exciting gift ideas that you can give your dad, your uncle, your grandfather, your brother, your cousin, all the men in your life on Father's Day.
From the way you talk, to the way you walk, to the way you rock that body, to the way you move, to the way you groove, I know you'll be somebody. So don't you frown or let it put you down. It's within, I know you got it. So bring that fire, let's take it.
Yes, because Father's Day is just around the corner. I'm pretty sure that all of you guys are already preparing or like thinking, what am I going to give my dad, my grandpa, my uncle, my brother, my boyfriend, and my husband a gift, correct? And it's not easy because men are so picky sometimes. It's just so hard to give them a gift. Now, this video we're not going to be talking about t-shirt, mugs, slippers, stuff like that because those are very overrated. These gifts that I am going to show you guys are gifts that I personally researched to find the best and affordable gifts that we can give to our dad. Not only on Father's Day, but these are the gifts that men are actually going to love. This is in no particular order, so without further ado, let's start our video. First one on our list, and definitely one of my favorite, is the massage gun. This thing is becoming more and more popular these days, and I've been seeing it a lot every time I'm going on Amazon. It's like they're asking me like, buy this, and I've been researching about this massage gun. They look really cool, and I'm pretty sure your dad is gonna love it. After a whole day of working or after working out, I'm pretty sure that they're gonna love this massage gun. And I'm thinking of getting one for myself too, and I'm gonna let you guys know once I get one for myself. Number 2 on our list is dash cam. I think this is very necessary, not only for dad but for all of us, for mom, for all of you who are driving. Well, I don't drive here, so I don't have it. I think this is one of the most important things to have in your car nowadays because, you know, a lot of accidents are happening, a lot of like this scam things are happening, and without this dash cam, you can protect not only yourself, your family, and of course, you have a proof, you have an evidence of what's going on, not only outside your car but also like inside your car. Even when you're not there at night, you park your car, you leave your car outside, and at least you see what's going on. This is not only to protect yourself, your loved ones, and also protect your car. Number 3 on our list, and I think my dad is gonna love this if he's still around, and it is the tool set. My dad has all kinds of tools. He loves building stuff. He loves fixing stuff. He's jack of all trade. He can fix car. He can assemble car. I think this is important, and they're gonna love this, especially if your dad is just like my dad. He likes creating stuff, and I think this tool set is gonna be perfect for your dad on Father's Day. Next on our list is AirTag. I think I need this one too because this is good for people who are always forgetting where they put their stuff. And it's me. I'm always calling Siri because I can't remember where I put my phone. AirTag is really a cool gift for dads. They can easily find their keys or whatever they're like looking for. And you can even forget that you are forgetful. So, next one is car vacuum. Car vacuum, I think it is important because it's gonna save them from going to car wash and have them clean the inside of your car, especially if you have kids and the kids are eating inside the car, sometimes it gets messy. So having a car vacuum portable on their trunk, I think it's gonna be easier for them to clean the inside of the car. It's not only gonna save them money, but also save time to go to the car wash. Next one on our list is Bluetooth speaker. Yes, I think this is going to be everyone's favorite, even like the old ones, because they can just play music with their Bluetooth speaker using their phone and wherever they are. Whenever they're like with friends, at the garage, fixing something, they can play their favorite music. And you know, having music while doing something, it's sometimes helpful. It's just like me. When I'm working out, and I have my music blasting like on my speaker, I feel like, oh my gosh, I want to sweat more. You know, like just gives you that different vibe when you have those loud music. When I am also cleaning, it's the same. When I am cleaning, I want my music loud. I don't know. I feel like I'm energized. I'm recharged. My blood is pumping. But it is the opposite for me when I am studying or like reading something, reading books. I just want to be quiet and with no sound. Bluetooth speaker is also a nice gift for all of the dads out there. Next one is exclusively for men. Well, I know that most of the dad, most of the grandpa or uncle or your brother are like probably shaving once, twice a week. And I think pampering themselves with a shaving kit, I think they're gonna love this. Not a lot of men are like investing on this kind of stuff, not because they don't like it, but because they just don't care. But once they probably experience how to use this kind of like shaving kit stuff, and they're gonna see like, wow, this is amazing. Let them try and pamper themselves with a shaving kit on Father's Day. Number 7 on our list is a noise-canceling headphone. If you guys saw one of my videos that I created on Amazon's April favorite, you saw that I featured one of my favorite headphone that I bought on Amazon, this one, and it's only less than $50. I think it's $43 something. If your dad loves listening to music or wanted to be quiet whenever they're reading, they're studying, or they're doing something for work, this is a great option. I know that there are still few dads that's still working from home, and having this with all the kids running, playing around, I think this is going to be helpful for them. So don't worry, everything that I am talking about, I am gonna link on the description box, the link on Amazon, so that you can easily find them, not on a specific product, but all the products that are below 50 on Amazon, so that you can easily find them. And you can have a lot of options to choose from. The next thing that I'm going to be talking to you guys is also one of the things that I talked on my Amazon's May favorite. It's a smartwatch. I think this is important to have a smartwatch because whether your dad is an active guy who always like doing something or like exercising, at least they can track their activities, they can track their blood pressure, heart rate, and stuff like that. But if your dad is the type of person who doesn't really work out, at least it's gonna remind them, hey, you have to get up and move around. If they're always like sitting in the office typing on the computer, at least it's gonna remind them, hey, you gotta move around at least so that you can exercise yourself. And it's like you're there reminding them to do some activities. The number 10 on our list that our dad is definitely gonna like is the 3D screen magnifier. Because they can enjoy watching on their phone. It's like watching on the big screen. They don't have to wear their glasses anymore if they're just on their phone. I think this is a great gift idea for dads out there. Number 11 on our list is a foldable laptop table. These foldable laptop tables are tables that they can use and they can move around the house. Whenever they are in bed, they can use this portable laptop table. Whenever they are sitting on the couch and even on the top of the table. And this is a perfect gift idea so that our dad is gonna be forced to just stand up and work on the computer even though standing up. And I'm going to get one of these too. Don't worry, I'm gonna let you guys know when I get it. Definitely a great gift idea for dad on Father's Day. Last and definitely not the list on our 12 cool gift ideas on Father's Day is the charging coffee mug. This is amazing. This is a great invention. No worrying about your coffee is getting cold because it's always gonna stay warm as long as this is plugged. They can bring it in the office, they can have it at home, and this is perfect, especially if they are working. So I hope you like these 12 gifts ideas that I share with you guys, and if you do have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. And if you do have any suggestions that you think that is supposed to be in this video but I forgot to include it, please write a comment below, and see you guys on my next video. That tracks the thing that you forgot that.
Maybe you shot him.